How to post then and now photos on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to build a comparison post yourself, since Facebook removed the built-in template that used to do this automatically. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. From there, tap What's on Your Mind at the top of your home screen. After that, tap the gallery icon to add photos. At this point, select the two photos you want to use, one for the then and one for the now. Then tap Next. Following this, scroll down and tap Choose Layout. From here, tap Frame, which arranges both photos side by side. At this stage, tap the Edit icon. Following this, tap Edit next to the first photo. From here, tap the small A icon at the top right to add text. At this stage, type in a year or label, like 2020. Following this, adjust the color and add a border if you want it to stand out more. From here, make the text larger, then tap below the box to save it and position it wherever you'd like on the photo. At this stage, tap Next once you're happy with it. Following this, scroll down and tap Edit on the second photo, the Now one. From here, tap the A icon again and type in the current year, like 2026. At this stage, give it the same border and style as the first photo, then make it large and tap Done. Following this, position that text wherever you want, then tap Next. Once done, you'll see both photos displayed side by side using the layout you just built. From here, tap What's on Your Mind again if you want to add a caption, like Then and Now, or any other text describing the post. At this stage, once everything looks right, tap Post. That's how you post then and now photos on Facebook. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!